Vinci once said, "Learning never exhausts the mind." Emma, an avid reader and full-time software developer, spends every evening exploring different genres. She finds that reading doesn't tire her, but enriches her mind. The knowledge she gains not only helps in her career, but also improves her daily interactions and personal growth. 1. Continuous learning can enhance both professional and personal aspects of life. 2. Intellectual engagement can be rejuvenating rather than exhausting. 3. Diverse knowledge broadens perspective and skill sets. Want more inspiration? Hit subscribe and let's grow together.